All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. A little bit after 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are in the BitSeven trading platform. Welcome all Cryptoballers, Crypto America, all Oracle disciples. Glad to have you back here on the channel. We are witnessing a little bit of history here this morning with Ethereum breaking its all-time high levels coming right here. Depending on what exchange you were trading on. With Ethereum, that kind of goes with the bag a little bit with crypto, as all of these currencies are traded on different exchanges, and different exchanges have their own highs. But we are pretty much going to dominate the all-time high today, and the hope is to hold here above the current levels of 1480, which is a massive move if you think about where Ethereum was just 48 hours ago. And we will continue. Obviously, our target is 2200 to 2500. That has been our target for the Cryptoballers X update, and for all of our channels and everyone in our Discord here now since December. So it's not news to any of us that we are seeing finally more accumulation. If you examine the on-chain metrics for Ethereum, you will see that everything is really in positive territory. We have a couple developments coming out this month now that we're into the month of February with the CME. Those that are not familiar with that, that's basically futures and options exchange. And we also now have really more accumulation for Ethereum institutionally wise, with new funds and stuff, especially in Canada, that are now that we're in 2021, that are now being rolled out. You also have Grayscale with its projects adding trusts with other cryptos, whether it be Polkadot, Chainlink, you name it. They've added about, I want to say now, about a dozen trusts which have exposure in terms of projects on the Ethereum ecosystem. And this, again, is going to continue to grow the Ethereum network in terms of volume, activity, raise the level of awareness, adoption for Ethereum, not only as an asset class, but as a network. Okay. That's what distinguishes Bitcoin and Ethereum from virtually all other altcoins. Okay. There are those that are working on establishing their own ecosystems. Of course, we know with Polkadot, we also have parachains, which still want to tie to Ethereum network. Obviously, everything wants to be layered up, and there will be other networks most likely. I mean, we know that what's coming into here in the next 2 to 3 years, what we're going to see. Okay, as these build out, there are tons of fans of Chainlink as Oracle, tons of fans of Cardano, right? Tons of fans of EOS or Cosmos, tons of fans, right? I mean, and so there's definitely interest in that. But Ethereum is still the main network that is driving decentralized finance. And you got to go through the Ethereum network, okay? And that's really the reality of finally what we're seeing for those of us that have been talking about Ethereum for years. Even when Ethereum back March of 2020 fell below 200, and those of us that were still extremely bullish on Ethereum. And it's really, really great to see this run from about 160 to 200 in March of 2020 to now, almost 11 months later, to be sitting at 1,481. It is massive, massive win for the entire cryptocurrency space to have a cryptocurrency that's gaining this adoption, gaining this much traction, in addition to Bitcoin. Now, remember, almost 99% of all of the altcoins that are created, there's thousands, right? They have not been adopted by institutions. They have not been adopted, right, and accepted. Okay, the main acceptance adoption, metric has always been Bitcoin until 2021. It is about to change. Bitcoin now really is going to see Ethereum begin its rise in 2021, to where a lot more people by the end of this year are going to know Ethereum.